Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that says thanks. All those really help with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that'll take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a perfect indoor security camera that is pan and tilt and is by a company called Cinnado. This is the box it comes in, and the model is D1. Once you open it up, you're going to get everything you need. So first off, you are going to get a user manual that tells you how to operate it. We're going to tell you a lot of those features right now in the video. You are going to get, of course, a way to mount it on the wall. So it has this little mounting bracket. And these are really nice because you can put this stick on your wall and it tells you exactly where to put in the screws. So you can mount it on the wall. I typically just have it sitting on a shelf. They do also include the screws here if you need those. And then you're going to get a USB adapter and a super long USB to USB Type-C cable here to power up the camera. It is not battery powered. It needs to be plugged in all the time. So right here on the bottom, you can see in this little center spot is where you are going to put in that bracket. But if you're not, it has these 4 little rubber feet which keep it from sliding around. Now, one of the great things about this camera, as I mentioned, it is pan and tilt. So this thing can tilt around up and down of 70 degrees. So you can really capture whatever you're needing to look at as far as the vertical space. As far as rotation, it can rotate up to 320 degrees. So almost a full circle, it can really capture. So you're going to be able to get any angle depending on where you're mounting this. You can capture that zone that you want to. As far as resolution, this is a 2K camera at 2304 by 1296 resolution. It is 3 megapixels. The quality is pretty decent. You're going to be able to see really well. I'm showing you the kind of footage of it during the day. We're going to show you footage of it at night as far as also what it does still pictures. It does come with night vision. It has 4 infrared lights built into it. So that way you can see at night if somebody's coming into your house or something's moving around, you're keeping an eye on somebody, you do have that option also. Like almost all security cameras, this thing is going to have the ability to do two-way audio. So you'll be able to talk to it through the camera to a loved one if you need to. It does motion detection. It will also do push notifications if you have that option turned on your phone. It is connected through Assistant, so you can utilize both the Google and the Alexa assistants if you wish. And then it also has an optional alarm. So if you do have where it tracks motion and detects somebody, it can send off a siren to hope to scare them away if you want to put that on if you want. As far as recording, so you can put in a micro SD card right on the bottom of the lens if you wish. That's going to be up to a 128 gigabyte card. Or you can also utilize their cloud storage additionally if you want to use that. So if you don't want to do the cloud, you don't have to. You can store everything on the device, which is kind of what I do. And it does record at like 10-second bursts. So if it does detect motion, it's going to give a 10-second recording of it. Now, naturally, if you do open the app and you choose to manually record, you can record longer if you so choose. But the auto record is set at 10 seconds. Overall, though, it is a nice, compact, little itty-bitty indoor camera, pan and tilt, full coverage. That way you can get all the different angles, super easy to install. For all those reasons, I do recommend it. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.